Hi guys, welcome to Tag Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Twitch chat to OBS. So firstly, let's go to the Twitch chat or Twitch. Then you have to click on this profile icon, which is top right corner. Click on this profile icon and click on channel. And now you have to scroll down. You'll find here chat. Click on chat. After click on chat, you have to click on this arrow icon here. You can see the cursor, right? You have to click on this arrow icon and then you'll find the chat room here. Then you have to click on this settings icon, settings gear icon. Click on settings. Then you'll find here pop out chat. Choose this one, pop out chat, and then you can see the chat has been pop out. You have to click on this URL and right click, then copy. You have to copy this URL. You can now close this one and go to the OBS. After go to the OBS, you have to click on docs. If you don't find the docs, if you can't find the docs, you have to click on view, then you'll find the docs. But if you find the docs here, click on this docs, and then you'll find here custom browser links, custom browser docs. Click on this, and you have to name it Twitch chat, and then you can see the URL box. You have to paste the URL here, then click on apply. Hold on for some seconds, it is applying. Now here you can see that your chat room has been connected with your OBS account. Okay, so this is how you can do this. If you click on apply, it will be applied, and then it will be here. You can chat from your OBS. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe again. Thank you so much for watching the video.